But yeah, man, so we're not at the first scene, but we're picking up. This is the car right here that we're gonna be using, you guys. Got a Mustang right here. Check it out. Mustang, nice interior. You're gonna be just getting a lot of detail shots right now. So what you want to do is when you see like a nice car like this, one thing to focus on is the rim. Second, focus on the emblem because it's a Mustang. So you want people to know. Okay, you guys, so what I basically wanted to let you know is I'm making this video as a in-depth tutorial about how I created this music video. So don't click off of it, you know what I'm saying? If you really want to watch it, just know that there's a lot of like hidden gems in here, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna help out the channel for one, but for two, you're gonna get a full explanation and understanding of how this video was created. If you skip through it and you click off of it, you're not gonna get the amount of knowledge that you need to get. Sitting here editing it right now, and I feel like you guys are gonna click off of it too early. You guys aren't gonna get the full-fledged view of what's going on. Take your time and just get a grasp of the full video. Make sure you watch the full video and make sure you can get all of to make sure that you can get all of the information that you need. I want people to know it's a Mustang. Some things that I might add into here to this type of scene is sound effects like a vroom, like for the car and stuff like that. Try to find a Mustang sound effect to be the best for you. If you don't love the life you're living while you living, ooh, that was hard. If you don't love the life you living while you living, oh, man, we're back at it again. We got another one. We're on the different account. This is like, you know, a little bit more professional video, but today we're going to be filming a music video. We're filming a music video for Young Shad. I'm starting a new series where I'm gonna like kind of like tag along with me type series. So I feel like this is gonna be kind of cool for you guys to really get like a take into my life a little bit more. A lot of you guys want tutorials. A lot of you guys want a lot more stuff and a lot more about me. So I just want to like do that for you guys. Kind of you guys want to see that more often. So today we're doing a music video. I'm gonna try to keep it real nice, raw content, real quick cuts, and just like kind of like give you guys like a little bit of how to of how I shoot a music video. First, right now we have the first location. We're going to pick up the artist right now. I'm not personally, but we have there's a Mustang. You see the Mustang? The Mustang is the rental that we got for today. So yeah, we handle all of that. Like as far as when it comes to videography, I handle all of that. Like as far as like booking the rental, I know some rental people booking the rental, the location, stuff like that. But if the artists themselves have a location that they want to book, then we'll talk about that, and then we'll do that location, stuff like that. So we just work up with funding to give me the whole budget, and I try to like do everything that I can myself. I have a notebook that I take down, and I note like everything that I want. Is called storyboarding. So I'll storyboard. I can show you guys how to storyboard too if you guys want that as well. But yeah, man, we'll storyboard. We'll put all that down. We'll put all the ideas onto paper. So that I can hear the song, I can run it through and see exactly what ideas I'm getting in my head. I close my eyes, listen to it, and well, I'll start jotting down some things and type of visions, like some stick figures, whatever, how I see it. So if you guys want me to show you guys pricing and everything and how I price things, stuff like that, ask for that video as well. Let me know and link the comments down below if you guys want to see more stuff like this. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, I'll make more stuff like this. So yeah, man, guys, go ahead and follow my Instagram, taxi.png. Edits by Will behind the cam right now. But yeah, we got that boy on the cam right now on the 1s and 2s. We're about to get straight to it, man. Sir, I'll talk to you guys when we get to the airport. Let's do it.
It's your boy Big Dude, Big Boogie, CMG business.
Biggest Lexi.
It's your boy Jack, boy.
Call if you the ball. Nigga go to Wacom.
The girl Dreesy.
King said I'm tapping in with Taxi on the lens.
If you ain't fucking with Taxi, you need a
ride. You did. Take a ride.
Y'all, if y'all not tapping in with Taxi, y'all know what y'all doing.
Hey, shout out to Taxi.
Taxi on that nigga, taxi.
Taxi on the lens. Spin the block, spin again, nigga. Cause it's Taxi on the lens, nigga. Man!
But yeah, man, so we're not at the first scene, but we're picking up. This is the car right here that we're gonna be using, you guys. Got a Mustang right here. Check it out, y'all boys, check it out. Mustang, nice interior. You're gonna be just getting a lot of detail shots right now. So what you wanna do is when you see like a nice car like this, one thing to focus on is the rim. Second, focus on the emblem, because it's a Mustang, so you want people to know it's a Mustang. Some things that I might add into here to this type of scene is sound effects like a vroom, like for the car and stuff like that. Try to find a Mustang sound effect to be the best for you. So we're just gonna kind of get a little bit of like shots of this. This little swift motion. Maybe even like a little tag on here of the Mustang name. Call this B-roll, you guys. For everybody that's wondering, this is called B-roll. You have your A-roll, which is called the performance shots, and then you have your B-roll, which you get secondary to your performance shot. See, this is what we gotta do with, you know what I'm saying? Sorry, but yeah, so this stuff you gotta do it. And I just had to make sure that he's able to get through. But yeah, we got the Mustang emblem right here. Never get anyone's license plate into your video, you guys. Make sure you scratch that out, make sure you X that out. Never put anybody's license plate in your video. And then also another thing is you have to worry about the reflection. If you have a reflection right here, like in the car, make sure that you're not in the reflection, or your cameraman is not in the reflection. But you're fine right there. So you want to make sure, like, I'm trying to stand up to the side and catch it at the side angle like this, side swipe. Zoom in pretty nicely so that you can only get mostly the emblem and the lights, because the lights in the Mustang are very distinct as well. So that's another thing that you want to get. Just know your car. Like if you're shooting a specific type of car, just know the car and know the right features to be able to record in that car. So nice little quick little swift swipe by. And then if you keep all of your shots going through the same motion, then you'll be able to keep doing them through the same motion. It'll be easier for transitions, easier for everything else as well.
This nigga's so famous, dog.
Hey bro, hey bro.
This nigga's so famous,
Hey
bro.
bro, hey bro.
Like, I'm blessed to be in this nigga presence right now,
I'm
bro.
like, you know, I'm doing a little, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly. Fuck that taxi fans, man.
But ones and twos, man. Cause what you could do is too, like if you crop in enough, then you don't want to really necessarily, like if it's not a physical location that you're shooting at, don't show the location. If it's housing or development like that, you don't want to show that. You want to focus on the car itself. So crop in a little bit more. If you got all car in the shot, it's okay. Use it as behind the scenes or use it as some BTS. If you shoot an auto, you're a pussy.
Come on, bro.
I'm saying though, bro. Got a little quick little something. Nice little cinematic shot. I'm just saying, I got one before that too though. Just for a little trippy effect. I want to do something or some shit. Whatever. It'd be crazy if we had like nice car back to back.
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah. If a fucking UPS truck can fit through here, y'all can fit through here, bro.
No, most definitely.
If a UPS, go around. Go around. Go around. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, if a UPS truck could fit through there, they could fit through there.
No, that.
But yeah, man. So we're about to get in the car, listen to the song a few times through, so that way I know what parts to like record what on. And yeah, I'm probably gonna live up and see how that goes. Cause I think.
Hey, Tax, you wanna get us walking out? Just walking to the car?
Yeah.
Something
All
like
right,
that?
bet. Another thing, guys, when you're recording at a house or a recreational place, leave numbers of houses out. Numbers of houses and license plates. If you don't love the life you're living, why you living? Ooh, that was hard. If you don't love the life you living, why you living?
Stand on my word, I'm a real nigga. Yeah. Started for the team, but you still with it. Yeah. If they eat the gang, that's what I blame. I ain't cooking up with niggas tryna aim. I'm used to sipping on the couch, even though I got a big nigga. I don't need a friend, I'm getting closer with my nigga. Better watch out, bro, my cousin never been a fan nigga. Never had to run, I'ma stand on what I said, nigga.
The hardest nigga ever. I'm the hardest nigga ever. I'm the hardest nigga ever, bro. You know how hard I just felt? I felt hard as fuck.
No,
I've never done that.
I ain't gonna lie. That was hard.
Whoa.
I didn't even peep that was gonna happen.
I'm not. Next red light, he gonna get out. Okay. Get out. All right.
No, I thought he was gonna switch seats.
I swear, that's what I thought.
Hey, but hey, ready for action. You gotta always.
Nah, bro, we switched seats. Did they know that we switched seats?
I don't know.
Did they not know? That's, bro.
Yeah, I just told him to ask you. I just had to ask him.
Hey, who made that shit, nigga? Damn, my nigga Bleaky, you made it.
Ay, I'm used to sleeping on the couch, even though I got a bed, nigga. I don't need a friend, I'm getting closer with these dead niggas. Better watch your mouth, my cousin never been a fan, nigga. Never had to run, I'ma stand on what I said, nigga. Pull up, hop out, we on go. We beat cases, they don't know. Solid ain't a word, that's a lifestyle. This shit for everybody, nigga, gone and pipe down. Yeah. VVS, take a chain, now I got a necklace, real stubbers. Say the word, I bet somebody check it. I don't be tripping, cause I know who I got close to me. I keep my fire, they keep they strapping, they gon' blow for me. She sucked the woody out of nigga, then my toy rest. I pop the city bitty pillar, she want more sex. If I ain't feeling what you saying, I ignore text. She said she love me, but I know that mean more stress. Yeah, yeah. I stand on my word, I'm a real nigga. Yeah, yeah. Shorty for the team, but you still with her. Yeah, yeah. SDE the gang, that's what I bang. I ain't clicking up with niggas tryna hang. Yeah, yeah. I'm used to sleeping on the couch, even though I got a bed, nigga. I don't need a friend, I'm getting closer with these dead niggas. Better watch your mouth, my cousin never been a fan, nigga. Never had to run, I'ma stand on what I said, nigga. Pull up, hop out, we on go. We beat cases, they don't know. Solid ain't a word, that's a lifestyle. This shit for everybody, nigga, gone and pipe down. Yeah. Pull up, hop out, we on go. We beat cases, they don't know. Solid ain't a word, that's a lifestyle. This shit for everybody, nigga, gone and pipe down.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.